Why the law of attraction is not working for you. Hey, Scott Haug here, and in today's video, we're going to be going through a series of tips and ideas that are going to allow you to actually make the law of attraction work for you, to manifest what you actually want into your life consistently and predictably. Before we do so, make sure you throw a like on the video, and as you do so, it's going to send out to a lot more people, and together we can raise the consciousness of the planet. Also, make sure you click subscribe and click the bell icon so you're notified when I send out other great manifestation how-to content. Also, if you want to start teaching this material, you want to teach manifestation and the laws of the universe, and you feel born to help people in this area, make sure you check out our certification. It's Certified Manifestation Coach. If you go ahead in the description below, click the link and you can go ahead and apply and then book a call with our team to allow you to talk about it just a little bit and get some more details about how you could become a certified manifestation coach. All right, so let's jump into the video today. So law of attraction is always working for everybody, okay? It is always working for everybody, but it's really whether is it working for my good or not based on my desire. So when we say law of attraction isn't working, what we really mean to say is I'm not getting the things that I actually intended and wanted. That's what we're talking about here. Law of attraction is like gravity. It's working all the time. I got a bag here that's some gift bows, okay? If I drop this, it's going to go to my hand. Everybody knows that, okay? It's the law of gravity, okay? The law of gravity is working all the time for every human being. You wouldn't say, I woke up tonight, just started floating all around the place, right? And you would say, law of gravity isn't working for me. It doesn't happen that way, right? The law of attraction is the same idea. It's a law. It's happening all the time for every human being, everywhere, all over the earth, okay? It's happening. It's working. But it's, am I attracting in circumstances I don't like, or am I attracting in circumstances I do like? And it's very important because you get away from that victim place, right? It seems sometimes like this God or this universe or whatever you call the higher power is not giving me the things I want. Come on, why is it me not to have what I want? It can feel very victimhood. And that puts us in a position where we can't control our circumstances in our life. Though that's false, that's not true. We can start to manifest what we do want, right? Now, what's the difference between somebody attracting in what they don't want and attracting in what they do want? What's the difference there? A couple of tips here, okay? Many people are so aware of what they want and then so aware it's not here physically, that stops them all the time. So let me do an example. I want to manifest, for example, a $10,000 sum of money, okay? I want $10,000 extra in my bank account. I may think it, I may do my affirmations around it, I may intend it, I may do my gratitude list, my visualization, all the tricks, all the exercises, if you will, right? But throughout my day, my mind is monitoring if it's coming into my world or not. Where's it going to come from? How's it going to come? How's that $10,000 going to come? I have no idea. Who's it going to come from, right? Or the mind might say, it's not here. Will it happen tonight? Okay, it didn't happen tonight. You wake up the next morning, it's still not here. Is it going to happen by tonight? You see, what the mind goes in this monkey mind and tries to figure out where it's going to come from, who's it going to come from, why is it going to come, where, all these different things, right? And when you are thinking that way, you're putting out the feeling of absence of what you want. So you're thinking it's here, but you feel it's not. And that literally is causing you to be in a vibrational place of you not actually having the thing, okay? So you start to manifest circumstances that are showing you it's not here, it's not here, it's not here, okay? So that's why, quote unquote, the law of attraction isn't working many times for individuals. It is working, but it's not bringing you what you want because you're feeling like it's not here. And if you feel like it's not here, it's not going to come. You're going to attract it not being here, if you will, okay? Another very important distinction here on why, quote unquote, the law of attraction isn't working is because the person is doing way too many of the exercises with not enough feeling, okay? So you could do, 10 sheets of affirmations daily. You can visualize, you can do the gratitude, you can do all the different exercises out there, right? But if you're not feeling it while you're doing it, it doesn't do anything really for you too much, okay? So if I'm doing my affirmations and I'm saying, I am rich and wealthy and now earn 7-figure income, okay? But I'm feeling frustrated because it's not actually happening. My affirmation is not actually helping me. So my affirmation, I gotta say, I'm rich, I'm wealthy, and I have a 7-figure income, and I feel excited, right? And you actually put excitement into the words as you're saying them. You mean what you say, essentially. That's going to be a big factor whether you're actually tapping into the feeling of what you want or don't. Okay, so it's very important. A lot of people do the gratitude exercise and they don't really feel grateful. They're just writing a list as if it's homework, trying to get it done. 10 things I'm grateful for. I'm grateful for water. I'm grateful for my car. I'm grateful for my house. I'm grateful for my spouse. You know, they're just writing it down, but they don't feel grateful. They don't feel the gratitude. They don't feel the appreciation. Okay, so we really want to tap into that. Make sure you're feeling grateful. Make sure you're feeling excited, whatever the feeling is supposed to be, to have you be in that, if you will. Ultimately, you want to remember how we're manifesting is based on what we're impressing upon our imagination. Okay, so if I'm impressing in my imagination things I don't want, and I'm just thinking that way throughout my day, I'm going to feel that that's true in my world. Even if it's physically true right now, it's a spiritual truth and a physical lie. Okay, so if right now I want, my dream home, physically it's a lie. Okay, but spiritually it's true. At an energetic side, it is true. That's what we're impressing. That's what we want to impress upon our imagination. It's the things that we do want. They're already true in the energetic sense, not yet physically, but I want to feel them to be true now so that feeling starts to manifest itself on the physical plane. All right, so hopefully that makes sense there. A couple of tips and tricks, okay, just to make sure, remember, you want to have the feeling of the presence of the thing that you want. You want to feel the feeling when you're doing the exercises. You want to be in the imaginative state of the thing you want, right? See the unseen, see the image, and then feel it to be true, all those things. Last piece as well is the action, okay? The action is a very real part of the process, okay? This is not a non-action oriented world. Meaning, walking to a mailbox and receiving a check, that's action, okay? Walking into your local gas station to buy your lottery ticket, that's an action. Going to your job is an action. Building a business is a set of actions, right? So all these different things are actions. It's a part of the process. So if you feel impelled to go and serve, to increase, to do something better with your life, that is your calling and also your channel through which your supply can be received. Your money, the sales, the things that you want in your life, okay? So you want to make sure you're also accompany it with action, but it's feel-good action, it's inspired action, it's the things that are going to increase other people, that are going to serve, that are going to build your business if you have one, they're going to do these things, all right? So very important that you follow through on that side of things as well. All right, hopefully this video helped. Let me know in the comments section below if you'd like similar videos like this or have any questions about today's topic.